Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I hope you're doing well. This is not going to be like one of my regular videos because I did not plan ahead and I did not batch prep a bunch of videos. So we're going to be drinking our Carib. It's essentially the Corona of the Caribbean. It's really refreshing, not a sponsor. We're going to be looking at Netflix today. So while I was on vacation, I saw that Netflix had a great quarter. A lot more subscriptions than they had anticipated. What I want to do is see if the current stock price of $550 aligns with their market cap, their net income, their sales, cash on hand, debt, and the shares float. That is going to essentially give us a rough, hard target price of the stock. So the calculations I'll be doing are based off of how, I can't think of the name, not FINRA, the SEC, how they value companies. So the financial wizards came into a micro cap company I was working at. It was a unicorn. It probably still is. It's Xtero. And essentially every $100 million in sales is a $1 stock price. And that only pertains to companies that are grinding their way up their micro caps. So when it starts to play a big factor is when they have market caps over 1 billion, that's when institutions, hedge funds, big money can really move a stock. And so every $1 billion is essentially a $10 valuation on top of the sales, income, cash, and debt. So again, I'm going to attempt to overlay these financial data points as I talk through them on Netflix. So again, the stock is $550. The market cap is $240 billion, which is about a $240 stock price. Income is $5.4 billion, sales $33.7 billion. I'm not sure about the cash on hand, and I'm not sure about the debt. Shares float is 431 million. So what I'm going to do is I have to do all of this longhand because market cap is $1 billion and shares float is in the millions. So they have 240 billion 990 million, plus they have 5,410 million in income. Good for them. Sales is 33 billion 72 million. Sorry. Okay. So all that right there is 280 billion, just so you know. And we're now going to go down to their cash and their debt. So they have 1 billion. They have 1,075 million in cash, which is not their. They've had more in 2017. They had more in 2019. They had more in 2020. They had more in 2021. So this is the lowest cash they've had for several years. So we're going to add 1,075 million onto that equation. And the total debt they have, any guesses, is 14,353 million. So we're going to remove that. So minus 14,353 million. 80,000. Yes. All right, so that leaves us with 266.8 billion. And we're going to take that and divide that by the shares float. So what I'm doing now basically is taking their cash, their sales, income, money from hedge funds, institutions, and dividing it between the shares. And so this 266 billion divided by 431 million, 410,000. So this comes out to actually $618 share price. So that's not bad considering they just had a beat, and $618 is what the stock could do That's the more aggressive end. I think it'd be more around 575 if we looked at the shares outstanding rather than the shares flow. So my 618 price target aligns well with Wells Fargo. Pretty close to DZ Bank, never heard of them. Pivotal Research Group has a $700 price target. Robert Baird has a $610 price target. So, yeah, my 618 is not out of the question. I don't own any shares, but that's pretty cool because I think the stock could get to 618. The all-time high for Netflix was 700, about 700. Now about 701, give or take 701. So that was the all-time high. If you're looking at the chart, which I'm going to put on the screen, you'll see that it actually kind of looks like a bear flag. So you have your flagpole, which are these red candles, and the flag, which are these. It's literally gone from 167 all the way to 500, literally with no hesitation. So kind of crazy. I'm in the Caribbean right now, and it's actually very windy, and this ocean, it should just be crystal clear blue, no waves, but it's been so crazy. I think I came just a little bit too early, but it's been amazing. So that's Netflix. I'm gonna go ahead and do a video on Nvidia next, but you guys let me know what you think about the Netflix stocks. Do you guys like this video? Leave me a thumbs up, thumbs down, subscribe, leave a comment. Hope you're doing well. Cheers, thanks for watching.